So are you guys ready for the 4th of July parade?
Yeah!
The American girls are being nice enough to put the parade on for you guys.
I can't wait. Me too. Yep, I'm ready. Wow, what's with the ice cream liquor? I don't know. She sure seems to like that ice cream.
I sure could use the ice cream.
Me too. I hope we see some horses. Ooh, horses?
I bet the parade is getting ready to start real soon.
Hooray for the red, white, and blue. I like parades.
And here are our parade participants.
So starting down here, we have Dina, and she is wearing a dress from Etsy with the shop Dresses for Dolls.
Next is Annette. She's wearing a dress from Dresses for Dolls.
And then there's Luciana, and she is in a costume that we thrifted.
And this is Addie, and she also has a dress that was thrifted.
And then here's McKinley, and she is modeling another one of our dresses from Dresses for Dolls.
And this is Kit and her dog Grace, and she is also with an outfit from Dresses from Dolls.
And then Lily, and Lily is representing the Girl Scouts, and her dress is also from Dresses for Dolls. If you can't tell, we really like Dresses for Dolls on Etsy.
And this is Bets, and she is wearing her romper from Elite Doll World.
And then we have Amaya, our journey girl, and she is wearing an adorable two-piece outfit from SashaLi.
So this is Blair, and her outfit is from Etsy, and her boots are from American Girl.
So here's all our participants. Are you girls ready?
Yeah!
All right, get your floats and let the parade begin.
Okay, places everyone, places. Are you all ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Hey, I think I see him coming. All right, this is gonna be epic. Hey, Luciana. Hey, Abigail. I like your dog.
Thanks, Nellie.
Hey, look, there's Kit. Hi, Grace. Boy, that ice cream cone sure lasts a long time. Yeah, I like ice cream. Oh man, look! It's the horses!
First to fight for the right and to build a
Blair! Blair! Blair, buddy!
Hey, Abigail.
proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won and the army goes rolling
I love boats! Yay! Here come the Girl Scouts!
Go, Lily. Go, Lily.
Hey, everybody! Don't forget to buy your Girl Scout cookies! I think Pip could use one to go with our ice cream. Hey, Amaya!
Hey.
You think I can have a ride on your horse when this is over?
We'll have to see about that, Abigail.
on.
give a big thank you to the American girls who put on this parade.
Yay! Thank you! That was so cool! Yeah!
Who's gonna be ready for the fireworks tonight?
Me! Me! Yeah, me too! I love fireworks!
Who's ready for some fireworks?
Me! Yeah! Bring it on! This is gonna be epic. I like fireworks.
Yeah, sure you do.
What? I really do. I think she's still eating that ice cream cone. What's with that kid?
Hey guys, these are some of my favorite. They're like snakes.
Whoa!
Wow,
Whoa!
that's crazy.
Look at that!
It's on fire.
It does look like a snake. Ooh, I'm kind of scared.
Ew.
Oh, don't be silly. Wow!
Huge.
It's ginormous!
It's crazy. It looks like it's coming from the ground.
I told you it was gonna be epic. Wow!
Still going. Oh, it's done. Look at that. Oh, it's more. Oh, this is gonna be crazy.
I like it. That could be a dud. No, look, there it goes. No, that's a dud.
Guess we just have to keep on lighting it over and over again.
Ooh, now look at that one.
It's still going.
Ooh, look at that. It's a chicken.
Oh, I've seen these before.
Holy moly, that was kind of scary.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to do this one again. Wow, what's this one?
It's a fountain.
Ew, cool. Wow. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. It's free. What can you imagine?